Introduction to Project Assistant. Beginners succeed when using Project Assistant's custom workflows and guidance. Project Assistant is more than a typical to-do list approach to projects. The interface and features are easy for the non-technical employee, beginner, or student to follow. Best practice guidance is provided throughout a project. The graphical work breakdown structure, WBS, or Kanban, is used to brainstorm and manage your project's deliverables and work. Our unique workflow library provides users with predefined deliverables and work packages for building custom project workflows. Using and improving your custom project workflows will improve project results. Having all company projects using, improving, and sharing common project workflows will reduce surprises, stress, and total project time, while improving clarity, collaboration, knowledge, and measurable results. Go to app.project-assistant.com and give it a try. Send questions and suggestions to Stephen at project-assistant.com.